What's your favorite holiday memory? Hey, Cece Cheney here, and I have been having a very chill Christmas Eve, and I couldn't help but wonder what are some of your favorite holiday memories? So, I have to say, there are a couple of things that just take me back, right, when it comes to the holidays this time of year. One, what is or was cooking with my family, getting ready, right? So our family loved to have people over. Like, I don't know if that's just a Trini thing, but like Trini time is all about getting together with friends and family and cooking those big meals. Used to be one of my favorite memories. Now, one of the other things that I really love or loved about this time of year was sort of like we had like a two-step Christmas, right? So we'd wake up in the morning and we'd open our presents, and then we'd sit around the table as a family and we would have Christmas breakfast, just our family, just our immediate family. And we would have fresh baked bread, right, that my mom used to make. And then we would have sweet bread, which is like the taste of Christmas for me. And like totally intended to make sweet bread this year and can't because I don't have an oven in my apartment, right? But that is totally a memory, a part of my memories that I loved. You know what would happen later in the day is everyone would come over, people I know and don't know, right? And we would just have fun, right? Like when I think about Christmas, I think about playing Taboo and kicking everyone's butt because I am super competitive. You may or may not know that about me, but I used to always be on the winning team because that's, how I roll. And so that was always something that I really enjoyed. And also hearing Trini music and just watching people dance and have fun and laugh. That is what Christmas always was for me. It's always been my absolute favorite holiday. And when I think back, Christmas hasn't been the same in a really long time, right? We lost my dad in 2005. We lost my mom in 2011. And as those things shifted and changed, the memories are not the same, right? All we have is the memories. Now everything is different. And I love thinking about those times, remembering the smell of my mom's fresh baked bread and sweetbreads. So those are some of my favorite holiday memories, like kicking everybody's butt at Taboo, right? Watching everyone dance, turning on Trini music and really doing the whole parang thing. That is a vibe and that's an energy, and I absolutely loved that. This is actually the first year in many years that Jason and I are even thinking about Christmas, right? So for the last few years, we haven't done anything. We didn't decorate. We didn't put up trees. We didn't exchange gifts, and probably some of that is because our family dynamics have changed so much. We lost his brother a couple years ago. I lost my mom several years ago, and we've not done anything. But this year we did put up a tree. We did not put the lights on even though we bought them. We did not put the ornaments on even though we bought them, but we did put up the tree and the star on top. And so we're creating some new memories, right? And so it just had me sort of in that nostalgia place, thinking like, oh, what do I love? What do I love about Christmas? And I want to know about you. What is it that you love about Christmas? What memories do you think back on that just put you in that state? So I am probably going to go and look for some Trini music as well as the Jackson 5's Christmas album, because it is not Christmas unless I hear the Jackson 5, and I'm playing them this year. So let me know what some of your memories are, and I will chat with you later. Ciao.